What's new? Number 1. It's the year 3030, and society is completely dependent on computers and robots. A young boy named Domino is flying his hovering board to school when all the machines start attacking people due to a powerful computer virus. What will Domino do now that the machines that are supposed to help him have turned against him? Number 2. Brian is the best dog in the world. In fact, he is one of the only dogs in the world. That's because dogs are not allowed in Brian's world, where people believe that dogs spread diseases. Brian's dog will be executed if he is caught. Soon, Brian learns of a mysterious underground dog owners club and joined the fight to legalize dogs. Can Brian and his new friends prove to the world that dogs are safe and friendly? Number 3. Janie is on a whitewater-rafting trip along a choppy river when their guide suddenly has a heart attack. Now she and the other passengers must learn to work together to survive the treacherous rapids. As if things weren't bad enough, some of the passengers have spotted a bear following the confused rafter along the shore. Will Janie make it home safely? Number 4. Christine was once teased by being heavy, but then she lost a lot of weight. Now, Christine is very skinny, but there is just one problem. She still sees an overweight girl when she looks in the mirror. Her friends and family try to convince her of how beautiful she is, but she doesn't believe them. Worse still, she is continuing to diet. Will Christine be able to align her body image with reality, or will she destroy herself? Number 5. Greg is just a regular boy who tries his best in school and just so happens to have a magical unicorn. When he's not studying and playing baseball, Greg is riding his unicorn through the enchanted land of Harmonia. When Greg brings something to Harmonia that he shouldn't, a secret gate is unlocked and the Mukmuk monster are unleashed, causing terrible pollution in Harmonia. Can Greg and his unicorn stop the Mukmuk monster before they find a way to Greg's world?